Model, 2017 Peugeot Partner 1.6L BlueHDi SE starts drives noisy gearbox Euro 6 bargain. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 185,266. Engine, 1560cc DV6 FE, BHW-A. Transmission, 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. The gearbox is noisy in most gears and fifth gear is missing, still starts and drives but will need the gearbox repairing or replacing. Grin. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features, 2 former keepers, electric windows, cruise control, 2 keys. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.